Hi, I'm John, but you may know me by some of my other names. The Man, Big Brother, or my recent favorite, the Corporate Overlord. It's guys like me that are after your data and making a total mockery of your online privacy. And it's not just Big Brother you have to worry about. These days, everyone is watching. Meet Eddie. Ooh, whose profile are we looking at today, Eddie? Let's hit him with some ads. This is Tom. Luckily for him, he uses Winston. Winston is a hardware filter that protects your privacy online and keeps your information safe. Just install Winston between your modem and router, and you can retake your data and decide what you want to share with me and my buddy here.
Tom set his up in minutes.
Winston adds a layer of protection to all your devices. And thanks to Winston, Tom no longer has to worry about getting ads on his phone just because he talked about something.
How about Hawaiian pizza tonight?
Ooh, sounds good.
Isn't that creepy? And that precious smart TV? You used to watch your TV. Now your TV watches you. And Winston has its very own comprehensive dashboard. Dig into your network analytics to find out what exactly is being filtered, where it's coming from, and who's running it.
You know I can see you, right?
All right, guys, it's time to go. He has Winston now. So protect your family and your information with Winston.
Get ready for a cinematic breakthrough in the world of TV and projectors. Introducing the world's most powerful 4K projector, capable of delivering a massive 150-inch picture. The ultra-short throw technology brings true 4K experience to transform the way you watch TV. We used ALPD 3.0 technology to double light efficiency, create superior color, and highest brightness out there. ALPD 3.0 is the same technology used in top movie theaters around the world, which means you get gigantic movie theater experience in your own home. 4K resolution with HDR10 brings you a new level of definition. Blacks are deeper. Whites are brighter. Volva extends the limits of imagination and takes you further than ever before. Enjoy mind-blowing sound quality with a built-in soundbar from Harman Kardon. That's 3 times more powerful than a standard TV. The Volva laser projector combines the most advanced features of the latest TVs and projectors while solving the pain points of both. Let's start with the size. Current TVs can reach around 75 inches. Volva laser projector projects up to 150 inches 4K image, which is 4 times the size. In the past, you could not walk in front of the projector. It created shadows. Also, professional installations are expensive. Volva's ultra-short throw floor mat means the projector sits straight against the wall, delivering a cleaner look and saving you costs on mounting and installation. Traditional projectors require expensive bulb replacements. Volva uses laser technology, which lasts 25,000 hours. This is up to 10 times longer than regular projector bulbs, which means you won't ever have to change bulbs again, ever. Let's talk safety. When you're watching TV, you're getting thousands of lights beamed straight into your eyes. With the Volva projector, the image is reflected off a surface, significantly reducing eye strain.
No other projector or TV combines all the benefits of a 150-inch 4K picture screen and an ultra-short throw laser projection at the price of a standard 82-inch TV.
The Volva projector will change the understanding of what's possible in the movie screening world.
We've done all the research and design, and we have a working prototype. Help us get it to the mass production and make the Volva projector available to everyone. Thank you.
The Volva Ultra Short Throw Laser Projector. It's time to bring the theater home.
Still to come on the travel show, Lucy lines up the latest gadgets, all designed to make your hotel stay a happy one.
I'm quite impressed by its ability to not fall off the bed.
Deep freeze lab.
And I take the temperature here in Japan.
It's like ice in here.
So don't go away.
Get me out.
The Travel Show, your essential guide wherever you're heading.
Hello, I'm here in London to try out some gadgets that I think might just make your stay in hotels that little bit more comfortable. All the devices I'm testing here are not because there's a problem with the hotel or its rooms. It's just a good opportunity for me to use them whilst I'm here. Now the air's being taken care of, it's time to look at the surfaces, and for that, I have the CleanseBot. At first glance, it's not immediately obvious how this works, but let me show you. It doesn't seem to know exactly where it's mapping, but I'm quite impressed by its ability to not fall off the bed. It's got about 18 sensors, so it makes sense. And interestingly, when it went underneath the covers, the UV lights at the top turned on, so it knows exactly when it's in open space and when it's covered, which I think is quite clever. You can also put it into handheld mode to sanitize objects like light switches, pillows, the TV remote. But for me, I'm going for the toilet. At full price, the CleanseBot costs £199, but currently there's an early bird deal for £76. So while it's cool putting your own little sanitizing robot to work, there's no way of actually telling if it's working or not. Now, of course, UVC light is known to be extremely effective when it comes to killing bacteria, which explains why the company says this robot kills 99.9% of anything lurking in your room.
Sam and Julia had a nice holiday. Beach, sun, pool, and food. Now they're home. But Sam forgot something. KeyMit is a smart lock, which allows you to open your door with your smartphone. With KeyMit, you can be sure that it fits. We designed it to work with the most common door locks in the Europe, US, and Japan, and it's very simple to install. It's easy. Install our app and lock or unlock your door using your smartphone. You can also share access, see the history of entries, set alarms for unwanted activity, and more using the app. It's convenient. Set the door to unlock using our gesture control feature, and to lock automatically when you are leaving the house. You can also control the lock remotely with the optional Wi-Fi hub. Just place it anywhere within the Bluetooth range of the smart lock. And finally, it's high quality. Made in Germany, we offer the strongest turning force of any smart lock and double the battery life. We are here for you. We stand behind the product 100% and will do whatever it takes. Sure, you are satisfied.
Introducing Cypher, a powerful yet simple way to protect your privacy, security, and family online. Today our world is more connected to the internet than ever before. Whether browsing Facebook, adjusting Nest, or shopping on Amazon, we're leaving behind trails of data that tell internet companies a lot about ourselves. But our privacy is just the beginning. We also need to worry about online fraud, identity theft, and hackers. It can all feel overwhelming. That's why we created Cypher. Cypher encrypts your data to keep it private from internet companies and marketers. It also protects every device in your home or business from the latest cyber threats. And finally, you can rest easy knowing that your family is protected. Cypher's parental controls make the internet safe even for the savviest kids. Being connected shouldn't be a nightmare. Stay safer with Cypher.